Hello everybody. Hi. How are you all? I hope all are good. And this is the face and I'm just going to wash it, and this is the Himalaya face wash I use, and I'm going to wash it front of you because I just want to tell you like how my skin looks now, like without applying any product, because I am using a beautiful Upton and it has just changed my skin, totally changed my skin. And see the face now without using that. Now see the skin, you can see the skin how it's glowing. Oh my god, you can see how it's glowing. It's amazing, that product is amazing. And if you want to buy the Upton, then you can contact me. Okay, now get back to the makeup. So here I'm using the strobe cream as usual, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face and see the glow. Like this is like a natural glow you get, like wow. Like, so this is the revolution stick. This is in the shade FC and it is over. Oh my god, I'm thinking like from where I'm going to get it, but I'm just going to remove all the foundations which are like lying down with me, like from really decades. I don't know, for decades. Now I just blended it and I'm just going to again blend it with my sponge. First I blended it with my brush, and now I'm just going blending with my sponge. For my eyes today, I'm going to take this neutral shade. This shade doesn't have any name on it, so this is a neutral shade. The palette is from Makeup Revolution, and these are reloaded palettes, and this is the beautiful shade, and this color just matches to my outfit, so I have used this shade. And today was a like really normal look because I just wanted to go out for a function. It is not like going out, but because in this lockdown where we are going to, it is like in my society they had some function, my friend's house. So it was like a what do you say, her engagement party. So I was getting ready, so this is the makeup which I did for that. And this is a very normal, natural, like for home party. Like we were just 10 people, 10 friends, and she just did her engagement party. So this how I created my look, like a new, like a soft glam and a really glam look. So this is a pink shadow I have used and on my lid, and this is a dark pink shadow which I use. I'm just applying, I'm just not blending it, I'm just putting it tap 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 tap. And this is a concealer brush, and I'm just going to tap it out. I'm just not going to blend it. I'm just going to take, afterwards I'm going to take a blending brush, and then here I'm taking a blending brush and I'm just buffing it all the shades together. And this is like a quick thing which you can do. This is a hack for you. So this is what I do when I'm in really hurry. I just tap 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 all the shades and I blend it all together. Okay, now I'm just taking this Maybelline V Face stick. It has contour in one side and it has shimmers in one side. This has just got over, so I have just taken the shimmer one and I'm just going to apply it to my inner corners and also on the brow, highlighting the brows. Okay, yes, I'm just blending it properly. Now I'm just going to highlight it. Oh, this was it happened. Okay, I'm just going to highlight it and just blend it really nicely. You can blend it with sponge, you can blend it with brush, because this is really creamy texture. It doesn't have into any chunks into it. You feel really dewy. If you want something dewy look and all, this is a perfect dewy look. So to create that dewy look, you don't want to put a lot of products in it. So this is the stick you can buy. I think this retails for 600 or something, and it's a two shades. You get a contour stick and a highlighter, so that is a really amazing product. I'm been using this for so long. I don't know, I've been using this for so long. This is a Fit Me, again Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just going to blend it with my Nika brush. I'm just going to add a powder, setting powder, same thing, Himalaya setting powder. Nothing is changed. And as I don't want to bring up all the product and make it over, because this is just a home function. And for function also I'm using this only, so you can just see it, like that powders are so amazing. So same way you can contour your cheeks, your nose, and your jawline, everywhere. So just contour it properly, and just we are going to go with our brush, and we are just going to remove all the excess powder. Now setting spray, this is a Smashbox setting spray I have put all over it, and I'm just going to apply this Lucy liner. This is a beautiful liner. It just glides on really nice. It has a really payoff. The color is really black. It is really good payoff. And this is a mascara from Maybelline. It is sensational mascara, and the corner, the same peachy shade I'm going to take for my blush, because it's really nice. This palette is really versatile. You also have a contour shade in it, because whenever I go out I just use that. So lipstick, I'm using the same thing, Clay Crush, my love, my go-to lipstick. Everywhere I do use the same one. So again and again I'm going to use the same one. So I just love it, and this is the look I have created for this function. But you can create this soft glam look for any of the functions, and you will look glam. And I'm just putting up here earrings, because I was just getting ready, and I hope you like it and you enjoy it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And be safe, and continue watching my videos. So bye guys, bye everybody.